Thinking about investing in property but don't know where to begin? You're not alone. My name is Jess Irvine, CommBank's personal finance expert, and I'm here to tell you getting started on your property investing journey might be simpler than you think. Here are 5 steps you can take now to get started. Step 1, check your equity position. If you already own a home, you may be able to use some of its equity to help fund your new investment. Equity is the difference between your home's current market value and your remaining loan balance. For example, if your home is worth $800,000 and you owe $500,000, you have $300,000 in total equity. Now, it's important to realise that not all of that $300,000 in our example is usable equity. Lenders typically allow you to borrow up to 80% of your property's value. So usable equity is the difference between your total equity and what amount still keeps you under that 80% borrowing limit. That means the usable equity in our example would be around $140,000. This is the equity that can potentially be used as a deposit on your investment property. Step 2, know how much you can borrow. Tools like the CommBank Borrowing Power Calculator can give you an estimate of how much you might be able to borrow to invest in property, factoring in your income, expenses, and any debts. If you want a more tailored assessment, consider speaking with a home lending specialist. They can guide you through your options, help you understand what's realistic for your situation, and talk you through any questions you might have about withdrawing equity or investing in property. Step 3, do your research. Investing in property comes with both upfront and ongoing costs, including stamp duty, land tax, property management fees, repairs and maintenance. Do your homework on the property market and consider how factors like rental yield, vacancy rates and long-term growth potential affect your goals. Step 4, speak to a tax advisor. Property investment comes with significant tax implications, including both benefits and responsibilities. Speak to a qualified accountant or tax advisor to get a thorough understanding of how things like negative gearing, capital gains tax, and deductions may affect you. This will then help you to structure your investment in a way that suits your financial goals. You can also check out ato.gov.au for more guidance on rental property rules and deductions. Step 5, keep detailed records. Good record keeping is essential for property investors. You'll need to keep track of all expenses related to your property, especially if you're claiming tax deductions. Expenses like interest, agent fees, and insurance are typically claimed in the year they're incurred. Others, like stamp duty or renovation costs, may be used to adjust your capital gains calculation when you eventually sell. For more on what you can claim, visit the ATO's Rental Property Deduction Guide. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you found this helpful. To continue your financial fitness journey, search CommBank Financial Fitness.